Flooring Belleville, New Jersey. Durable, stylish options that fit your life. If you're thinking about upgrading your floors, you're not alone. More and more Belleville homeowners are choosing to invest in stylish, long-lasting flooring that not only looks great but also keeps up with daily life. Whether you're working with a busy family, pets, or just want something low maintenance and beautiful, Zone 4 Flooring has you covered. Why homeowners in Belleville love vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring in Belleville, New Jersey has quickly become one of the most popular choices for good reason. It is affordable, waterproof, pet, and kid-friendly, and comes in huge variety of styles. If you're trying to stay on budget but still want something sleek and modern, luxury vinyl plank might be exactly what you're looking for. The benefits of waterproof flooring in Belleville, New Jersey. We all know how unpredictable life can be, especially with pets, kids, or high-traffic areas like kitchens and basements. That's why waterproof flooring in Belleville, New Jersey is a smart choice. Unlike traditional wood, these floors don't warp, swell, or stain from moisture. They're built to handle spills, humidity, and even the occasional mop bucket tip-over. And best of all, you still get the beauty of hardwood or tile, without the stress. Why choose engineered hardwood flooring in Belleville, New Jersey? Want that classic hardwood look, but need something a bit more resilient? Engineered hardwood flooring in Belleville, New Jersey is a perfect middle ground. And with the right care, engineered hardwood can last 20 to 30 years or more, especially when installed and maintained by pros like the team at Zone 4 Flooring. Visit the top flooring store in Belleville, New Jersey. At Zone 4 Flooring, we believe that floors should work just as hard as you do. Whether you're upgrading one room or remodeling your whole home, our local experts are here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to get started? Visit Zone 4 Flooring in Belleville, New Jersey today, or give us a call to schedule your free consultation. Let's find the floor that fits your home and your life.